2024 was supposed to have been a year of good gardening, but take a look at these. I have some very nice looking cantaloupe plants. A 20-gallon reservoir on a tower garden seems quite large. Maybe not as large as I had hoped because the summer squash have suffered. And these once beautiful celebrity tomato plants are also in a state of wilting. So what happened? Over a week of temperatures in the 90s and extreme heat has caused the plants to have a lot of transpiration and trying to keep cool, and actually ran out the reservoir. I had some great plans for using a float valve to refill the reservoir, but I have not had time to put a reservoir attached to the float valve. Plants that I had indoors were overcome by spider mites, and as if mocking me, right beside my tower garden, there's more spider webs here. Just maybe it's not too late to call this a losing season. So hopefully by refilling the reservoir, I'm going to see some responses of the plants, and hopefully I could save these plants. Either way, I do have the capacity to plant more plants in the meanwhile, or replace plants that are looking quite withered. So, however this season ends up going, I certainly hope to have something growing someplace. I do have gardens in my office as well as in my home, and this is the only outdoor unit that I have currently. Nothing else. I am quickly learning the value of water and nutrients.